sir. Bye, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Good. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I finished my homework, sir.
Me too, sir.
Very good.
I have to do Tamil also, but I did this first. I just don't remember where I kept it.
Lying.
No, no. I'm just kidding. 1 second. I'll take it.
The class the previous class was going on till now.
No,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, yes, yeah.
Whose class was it?
So it was
Sir,
chemistry.
sir, we don't remember the sir's name.
Wow, that's
So
It
great.
was
nothing,
chemistry
sir.
class, sir.
Yes, sir. I
Sir,
found the
he
book.
never like I never saw his face, like his video or his name, sir. Like yeah,
I've seen
Shokit,
his
sir.
face.
Yeah, Shokit, sir.
I've seen his face.
Shokit, sir. Yeah,
I've
Shokit.
seen his face. So yes, sir, my homework. Oh wait. 1 second.
1 second, sir. Let me get my note.
Look at my homework, sir.
Okay, that's good. Really good. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. No, bluff, stupid bluff. All not this one. All my homework.
Very good.
That's it, sir. Yeah, I think. I did all the assignments.
See my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So 1 second. I'll show you.
Sir, Kongwell said he didn't finish the homework, sir.
Why Kongwe?
Excuse me, sir. So can you see
Yes.
sir,
this?
the assignment.
Hey, turn off your ass.
Yeah, I can
Sir,
see
it's
you.
ritual
enough
background.
time, sir. I only did like math, sir.
Bad. Good Sankalp. But I don't think that is the total answers that you have written. Are they all of
I
them?
finished it at 1 page at a Sankal.
So I did like the first
I think
one
it
and
will
the
require
third
more than
one,
one
sir.
page. I think
So
it
I
will
did the
require
he
more.
first one and
3 in
third one,
the
sir.
inertia of rest and 3 in motion, sir.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Tarun will not join today?
Yeah. I only have Mithran's textbooks, sir. He took my textbook
No,
home and I
but
have Mithran's.
sir, wait. The question sir gave us when a train suddenly starts moving forward and the hanging carpet and then the smooth cart, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3.
They are the only 3, right?
No, there is also inertia of motion. No. Look at this.
Mhm.
Mithran's
was the
book. I
inertia
have
of
Mithran's
rest?
book.
I have to do inertia of motion also.
Sir, sir, now we are
Yeah.
going to the dentist. So we are going to the dentist. We got the appointment now. So we have also given the message to the group. So
Okay, so you won't be attending the class now?
yes, sir. I won't be attending the class today.
Okay, so get the notes from your friends.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye
Good
bye.
luck, Tarun. Don't cry. It won't be painful.
For what?
We'll be starting today the force.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
What
Tarun.
happened? I didn't hear what he said. Yes. sir.
Force. Okay. So force, we already know
So
that
the
force is
third law of
nothing
motion.
but product of mass times acceleration.
Sir, give me 1 second.
Which law of motion defines force?
Second law of motion.
Second law of
Second law.
motion. Yeah. So
F
mass
is
into
equal to
acceleration.
ma.
What is the unit of mass, kg? What is the unit of acceleration?
mg.
Meter per
Sir,
second
meter
square.
per second.
Meter per second
Square.
square. Or mg, sir.
Sphere.
ms.
Sphere. Acceleration is what? Velocity
v2
upon time,
minus v1. Okay.
right? Velocity is what? Meter per second, and that you have to divide by second. So it will be meter per second square.
Meter per second square.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So one
Yes, sir.
force will be what? Force will be what?
Sir,
Force will be
force,
what?
kilogram meter per
Kilogram per
second square.
per second square.
Kilogram.
Meter per second square. Kilogram.
Okay.
M.
And this is said
minus-
to be as Newton.
Sir,
And
what?
Okay,
I thought it was momentum.
Hey, momentum is different.
was
The
momentum.
momentum is
No, the momentum is also same.
Oh,
there.
momentum is mv. Okay, now mind, sir.
yeah no, momentum is
Momentum is
change of
mg.
momentum is
Mass,
something,
mv,
is
mass
directed.
into velocity. Okay,
This side, I said mv, sir.
understood?
MV
So
is
this is called
momentum.
Newton. So now this Newton was given, this Newton name was given to this combination of unit. Okay, Newton name particularly was given to this combination of unit, right? And that
Yes,
was
sir.
basically from the scientist. So now we'll be defining 1 Newton. 1
Sir,
Newton.
It's
so
equal to 10
momentum is
raised to
so momentum is
7.
basically m into v, but force is equal to m into
A.
final velocity
Ma-
and initial velocity by time.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
That's the
final
complicated
momentum
way of
and initial
representing it.
momentum divided by time. They are
No,
not velocity.
Same thing is there. Same thing is there. Final momentum is
mass
mv
into
minus initial momentum mu upon time. When
Yeah.
you take m common from here, you get the same thing. This is what
Yes.
he's talking about.
Yes, sir.
yes, yeah, that's what I said.
Now see here, what is 1 Newton? When we'll say that the force is of 1 Newton? So we'll say that force is of 1 Newton. 1 Newton is the force. 1 Newton is the force. Is the force. Okay. Which acts. Which when acts on a body of mass 1 kg, of mass 1 kg, mass 1 kg, produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So what is it? See here, basically we know now force is mass times acceleration, right? So
Yes, sir.
and the unit is Newton. We'll get something in Newton, right? 5 Newton, 10 Newton, whatever it be. So if I say that if I take a body of mass 1 kg, okay, and I apply it with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, so in that case, what will be the force? 1 into 1, 1. And unit will be kg meter per second square. And instead of kg meter per second square, I can write it as 1 Newton, right?
Newton.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Understood? So either I
Yes,
can say that if I apply 1 meter per second square acceleration on a body having a mass of 1 kg, it will be getting the force of 1 Newton. This is one way of saying. Another way is that if I apply a force of 1 Newton on any body having a mass of 1 kg, so what will be the effect? Its effect will be like the body will start accelerating with a acceleration of 1 meter per second square.
Yes.
Yes,
This is the
sir.
second way.
Here mass is constant.
Yeah, either of the two ways you can explain. So I have written this one definition, that is, okay, this is the SI unit. This is the SI unit. In CGS unit, this is the SI unit. In CGS
In another
unit,
unit, it's
it is
dyne.
What is CGS unit? Tell me, Kongwe.
Nine.
Define CGS unit.
Centigram system, sir.
Sir,
Centigram
Centigram
second.
system.
Centigram second, not system.
First.
So it is dyne. DYNE. Yeah. 1 dyne. DYNE. So again, what
so
happens
what is
here?
the word after? What is the word after produces an answer?
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
Okay.
1 dyne is the force which, when acts on a body of mass 1 gram here, because in if you're taking centigram second, so mass should be gram. 1 gram produces an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Sir,
One more
1
thing.
Newton. So 1 Newton is enough to push an object of 1 kilograms for how many seconds, sir? In 1 meters per second square.
That depends on the friction available. If you have just applied 1 Newton and left it, so it depends on the friction that for how much time it will be moving.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you have to keep on applying the same thing. Write this down.
So is anyone turning on the video because I can't see?
Pardon?
Mine is on.
Sir,
No,
is
is
my video
everyone
turned
turn on
on,
the video
sir?
because I can't see?
Nitish, I'm able to see Nitish only, and no, I'm not able to see
What
you, Sakal.
But you, sir.
I have just
No,
turned
sir,
off
you,
my
sir.
video. Just turned off my video.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought I had a technical issue on myself. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, give me
Sometimes that
1
happens.
second, sir. I'll rejoin.
Okay.
Okay.
Write this down and then let me know when you have completed.
Finish, sir.
Nitish, you can't see my video.
I can see now. Now it's turned off. Now I can see again. How does your Mac only have 2 USB ports?
Are you
Doesn't it even have USB ports?
Now I have seen.
Finished, everyone?
Guys,
Sankat finished. Writing finished, Sankat.
Everyone finished? Everyone finished?
sir,
I
sir, no,
finished,
sir. Sir, am I visible, sir? Am I visible?
Yeah, you are
yeah,
visible
yeah,
now.
yeah.
Okay. Sir, give me 1 second. I'll finish it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one dyne is equal to how many and how much n, sir?
Tell you. First, you write this. Now we'll go on.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir, everyone done, sir.
Okay, now see. Now see. 1 Newton. 1 Newton. If you have to relate with dyne. So 1 Newton is how much? Kg, meter per second square?
Per second. Square. Yes.
So write this as second to the power minus 2.
Sure.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Agree?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Sir.
what if I have to convert this into dyne, dy ne? So I have to write the same thing as the 1 gram centimeter per second square.
No, sir. Wait, you can. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Agree?
sir.
So see here, in order to convert this into this, what I have to do? I have to multiply 1 kg into 1000 grams
Yes.
and 1 meter into 100 centimeters, and second will remain same. So it will be 1000 and 100 more. So it will be 10 to the power 5 grams
-5.
centimeter second square. Okay, no, no, see, I'm converting from here to here, not I'm from here to here.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you are converting dyne to Newton.
No, he's just standardizing both. Sir, you're on mute.
Understood? So I'm going from Newton to dyne. Newton is a bigger unit. So from if you're moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, if you're, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
if you're moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, you need to multiply now. For example, if you're moving from meter to centimeter, so what you have to do? You have to multiply meter with 100. Same thing.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to multiply Newton with 10 to the power 5 in order to get dyne. Okay.
Yes.
So
sir.
write this down. I'll be writing the next.
Sir, 1
chapter,
meter
next-
into 100 is equal to centimeter. But I don't understand. Sir, it is like
Oh, sorry,
centimeter into
sorry.
100 is equal to.
Centimeter into 100 is meter. What I mean to say is that, see here. I mean to say here is that 1 centimeter, if you take more of the smaller unit, you get the bigger unit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. More of the smaller unit, get the bigger unit. You have to do here, if you are converting dyne into if you're taking 1 Newton, so 1 Newton has got how much grams? So if it is
1 kilogram, sir.
I'm taking 1 Newton here. 1 Newton. I'm taking 1 Newton here. 1 Newton. I can
Yes,
write it like
sir.
this, na? 10 to the power 5
Yes,
grams
sir.
centimeter per second square. Now it is 10 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
5, and instead of this, can I write it as dyne?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
you can,
sir.
That's what I'm saying you.
Yes, sir. I just got confused when you wrote 1 meter into 100 is equal to centimeter.
That was my mistake. Okay. So what I did, I converted kg into grams. So I wrote the same thing. Even this is the same thing. Instead of 1000 gram, you can write 1 kg, isn't it? Instead of 100 centimeter, you can write 1 meter. So I just represented this, and instead of this, now I have written this dyne. So 1 Newton is how much? 10 to the power 5 dynes. Got this?
Sir,
Yes,
is 10 raised to negative 2, can it be written as 10 divided by 10?
Pardon?
Sir, like, no, it's a maths question. I'll ask in maths class.
No, go on, I'll tell you.
Sir, so we do 10 raised to 2 equals 10 into 10, right, sir?
Yeah.
So how do you exactly represent 10 raised to minus 2, sir? Apart from doing 1 by 10 into 1 by 10.
See, 10 raised to minus 2 is, minus means what? You have to invert it.
Yes, sir. Apart, like, how do you know you have to invert it, sir? Because
the minus sign is present there.
yes, sir, minus sign is present, but why should we invert it? Because minus is there. For example, 10 raised to 2 is 10 into 10. So like we duplicated 2 times. So how do you duplicate it like minus 2 times?
Okay, see, this is just a kind of representation. You should not confuse it with the number line, that why it is minus and we have to go somewhere in the backward in the negative sign and then we have to square it. Nothing like that is there. You don't have to confuse with it. Minus sign just denotes that it is the invert. See, different
Yes,
minus
sir,
signs
I'm
have got
asking
different
the
meaning in different
derivation, sir.
respect. Derivation kind of thing is not there. Different minus sign is
Sir,
there
like
with different
if it,
So
if
like
it
how
has
did they
to be
derive if there's
inverse,
minus in the exponent? How did they
The
derive it, sir?
minus
Like
sign has
if
got
there's
different
minus,
meaning in different subjects. Minus in
yes,
maths
sir.
means depth. Okay, the debt that you take, loans, money that you don't have and you have spent, you have in negative, right? For example, you have 5 rupees and you spend 10 rupees. So now you have minus 5 rupees, right? So that is a debt.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In physics, minus sign denotes the direction. If you are running with a speed of minus 5 meter per second, that means that you are running in the opposite direction of what the general observer has considered.
Yes, sir.
Getting my point? If observer has considered
Yes,
the
sir.
rightward direction as possible, you are running in the leftward direction. It doesn't mean that there. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
concept is not there. So minus sign has got different meaning. In powers, it denotes the reciprocality. So derivation
sir.
kind of thing is not there. Okay. Next thing. Okay, this we have done. We have to solve some questions today. and then we'll be moving on to the Newton's third law of motion, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us solve some questions.
They finished Newton's third law of motion in school, sir.
In school,
Yes, sir.
Newton's third law of motion is very easy.
Yes, sir. Because they didn't do the
simple.
first chapter, sir. They didn't do the
They-
first chapter yet.
They didn't do the first chapter now.
Yes, sir. That's why they're moving so fast.
We are just one topic before them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the question goes like a body. Nobody will answer. We'll take the answers one by one, right, Nitish?
Yes, sir.
Not hear
We
Nitish
can't hear you,
voice.
Nitish. We can see you speaking in the video, but we can't hear you. No, we can't.
Not audible,
You're holding
Nitish.
your mic. He left, sir.
Okay,
Hello, Sankalp.
even you are not audible,
Sankalp.
Sankalp.
He's on mute, sir.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hello, Nitish. Bye. Can you hear us? We can't hear you.
Sir, is this a question?
I'm giving you a
Yes.
question.
Hmm. Sir, I thought you. No, clearly not.
Okay, everybody start solving this question.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear us, Nitish?
Calculates linear momentum.
Okay, that's fine. You can write the answers in the comment
Change
section.
your input device.
Yeah, that may be the problem. If you can open that headset.
Sir, done, sir. Oh, what is 2 minutes question, sir?
Oh, even now it's not fine.
Now,
Yeah, now it's
yeah.
fine.
okay. 1 second.
See, I debugged the issue properly and I told you.
Now
Sir,
can
I
you
got
hear me?
it, sir.
Yeah, now
Yeah,
you're
my
audible.
headphone works.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Easy,
Thinking
sir,
that
it's
why I'm
easy,
not
sir.
able
You
to
don't
hear
need
Nitish
calculation.
voice. I was just thinking that why I could not hear Nitish voice since last 2 minutes. How did this happen?
I was talking alone, sir.
Oh my god. Okay, 2 minutes this question. One answers
Done,
will be
sir.
taken.
Sir, over, sir. Over, sir. Done, sir.
And everyone?
Yes, okay.
Okay, we'll
Yes,
wait
sir.
for Nitish. 1 minute more.
Sir,
Sir, and
like
I
it
forgot
takes
something. What is like
3
the
seconds
unit
now.
for momentum again? What is the unit for momentum?
Kilogram meter per second.
I won't say it now. We'll discuss it after the question.
Did I just say it?
Yes,
Did I
sir.
just give
Yes,
a
sir.
hint for Sankalp?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
First, Sankal with the answer. Tell me the answer, Sankal, with the units.
Sir, like I don't know the unit, sir, but I know it's 10, sir. Because momentum is equal to mass into velocity.
Nitish? Nitish?
Can I mean, oh, okay. It's 10 kilogram per meters per second.
Like this.
Meter per second, sir, not kilogram per meter, sir. Just kilogram.
Hey, that's
meter
what you
per
said, Ra. You should be very
That's what I said.
specific on what you say.
Wrong way?
I just said
Sir, same answer as Nitish.
Oh my god, sir. So okay.
Really easy. You multiplied this with this, so units will also get multiplied, na? Okay, no problem.
Sir,
Next question.
Okay. So I was thinking that kgms was force. Then I thought kgms to the kgms to the power -2 is a force
Whatever you
because
thought, we don't care.
m by
you
s
say.
is
Problem.
talking to
Move on to the
sir,
next question.
not to you.
You had your parents teacher meeting, na?
Not yet, sir.
No, sir.
Yet.
Sir, it'll happen
Sir.
at the end of term 1, sir. Our school is very
That's
weird.
for this
Manna.
coaching institute.
Oh, school.
Oh, for
no.
this, no,
This
no,
institute.
sir, not for learning room. Not for learning room.
Okay, second question. 2 minutes.
Force
Yes,
of-
sir. Sir,
Done,
finish,
sir.
sir. Finish, sir.
You all write the questions also, because at the end when you'll be seeing your notes now, you'll be just
Yes,
watching that
sir.
you have done something and no
Yes,
question
sir,
is
I
there.
don't know. Sir, I wrote
Ah.
the question in a very abbreviated manner. So
Okay. Write in the
Yes,
form
sir.
that you should understand it.
Force 10 Newton, find
Okay. Nitish will
acceleration.
answer first.
Yes, sir.
Nitish.
acceleration is equal to 2
N is
meter per
equal
second
to,
square.
He said
Okay,
acceleration.
Natisha.
Acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square.
Kongwe.
Same, sir.
Sankalp.
Same.
Same.
Tell your answer.
Okay,
He said
okay,
same.
acceleration. Okay, yes, sir, same, sir, same, sir, same, sir.
He said
Okay, good.
same.
All are correct.
Yeah.
Now increasing the level a
Sir.
bit.
So I got confused at the last because it was.
You
2
always
meters
get
per second.
confused.
Yeah,
You
I
always
always-
guess
Hey,
it wrong.
let me talk, Dad. Please.
That's how the
For
teacher
once,
feels.
please feel sorrow for me. Dad. Feel that sorriness.
Sorrow
Hey,
for
we
me.
don't get it. Stop your- ask your
Sorriness,
question.
sir. What is that word?
Don't know. Dad.
Ask your question.
Please.
ah.
Okay.
Put some pity on me, Dad. You guys always tease me, even
Hey,
in
okay,
school.
nah, we'll-
Sir,
we'll
these
make
guys
it.
are
We'll
bullies,
give
sir.
sympathy. Ask your
I've
question.
been bullied. I've been bullied by
Okay.
these.
Focus on the
Ask
question.
your
Focus on the question.
Yes.
Whose name will be written on the top most of the time will get the champion badge today. Focus on the question. Mass 100 kgs. And I won't listen, sir. Me first, me first. You have to type done. So I'll see whoever has written the done word first.
Sir, I'm very slow at typing, sir.
I'll
Whoever
type
written
it
the done,
first, and then I'll keep it, and then I'm done and I press enter.
I know. Okay.
if it is done, he has to answer at that moment of time. And if he failed, his one earlier marks will also get deducted.
What?
Who did that?
What's the answer?
Question is over, right, sir?
Hey, after
No,
the
it's not over
question
yet.
is
Oh, the
written, after the
Okay, okay.
after the question is written only, you can type.
I'll say start. Then
Sir, the force acts for 10 seconds on stationary body of man 100 kg, which the
force ceases to act. Sorry, after which it should be.
ceases
Na? Sorry, here it is after.
ceases to act, sir.
After which the force
Ceases to act.
ceases to act.
So ceases to like I don't get it.
Stops to act.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Calculate 1. The velocity acquired by body. Acquired by body. Second part. Acceleration
No. Sir, this is
by
okay,
force.
I get it.
And third part. Magnitude of
Trying
force.
to understand.
And the time starts now.
Yes, sir.
Read the word done. I will not hear anything.
Sir, the body moves through a distance of 100 meter in after like that 10 seconds, sir.
Body force with the force ceases to act. The body moves through a distance of 100 meter in next 5 seconds.
Like it's after that 10 seconds that the body has acted.
First, you
Will
have
not
to find
explain it.
acceleration.
You have to solve it by yourself. I'll explain only after everyone has answered. Whatever you think, you should first use your brain. Whatever you can get through out of this question. See, I will answer all the questions, but what I want is that your brain should work. These questions will be with you. I'm saying it again and again.
Yes, sir.
In class
Yes,
11th
sir,
also.
I get.
Same chapter will come, same types of question will come. Okay, considered Nitish. Both hands should be up now. No writing after this. Not that much.
Show up. No, you have to show your hands on camera.
Can you see it?
No.
Remove your virtual background.
Nitish will answer first. After that,
Yes, sir. Should I answer it now?
no, not now.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let everyone complete. I have taught you the statement of second law of motion. Na? Nitish, just check through the notes.
Yes, sir.
Sir? Yes, sir, you did.
The examples, right, sir?
Yeah, examples and the second law of motion, everything.
Sir,
Is there
but
anything
I didn't. But I don't think you did change in momentum of
We did.
change in
We
momentum,
did. The
sir.
rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force applied on it, and change in momentum takes
No,
place.
sir. There's like
Can
delta
you,
delta P equals
Can you-
delta MV. We didn't learn all this, sir.
so can you go to the can you go to the question slide, sir?
Okay, that delta one I'll show you. Just a denotation. We have done everything. I saw that. Just one denotation is there. Like that it is represented.
So that graph I did not understand. Sir. Even
Okay,
though
okay. I'll tell you.
Yes.
We'll explain. We'll do questions on the graph also. 1 more minute. Conway done.
Sir,
Sir.
So like velocity acquired by the body, like at which time? In the 10 seconds?
Okay, let us start with the solution.
Right.
I'll tell you, Sankalp. See here. No problem. Okay, Nitish, tell your answer.
Yes, sir. For the like the velocity acquired by body is equal to 20 meter per second.
Okay. Acceleration.
The acceleration by force is equal to 2 meter per second square.
Okay, and the force.
And then the magnitude of force is equal to 200 Newton.
Conway.
I got the same answer.
Okay.
But it took
Here.
longer.
So force acts 10 seconds on the body. See, Sankalp, see here. A body is there, okay? And we are providing with the force, which acts for 10 seconds. We don't know that force. Body's mass is 100 kgs, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
After 10 seconds, the force is removed. Okay, force is only there for 10 seconds. You know what is meant by force? Force,
Yes,
the
sir.
effect of force on any body which is having a mass is acceleration. That means you are providing it with a kind of acceleration for 10 seconds. So acceleration is there, the value don't know. T is equals to 10 seconds, right? M is equals to 100 kg. So we have to find the velocity. The body moves through a distance of 100 meters in the next 5 seconds. Okay, one more thing is there.
Yes, sir.
Distance is 100 meters. And yeah, and
Time
that
taken
this
is 5 seconds.
time taken is 5 seconds. So what you have to do, you have to find the we can say that
Velocity.
we can find the initial velocity.
100
No,
by 5.
pardon.
Is it like 100 by 5? Velocity is equal to meter by second. So 100 by
This
5
is distance now.
is equal to 20.
This is
No, so
distance.
it's like velocity.
This is 100 meter is
Distance by time.
distance. This, and I am saying this 100 meter is distance. Velocity will be
Okay.
distance upon time. Oh, you are saying this 100 by 5.
Yes, sir. 100 by 5.
I thought that you are saying this 100 as velocity. No. So yes, from there you can get the velocity 20 meter per second,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
right? And then 20 final minus initial velocity is what, 0.
Yes,
So acceleration
Yes,
can be
sir.
v minus u upon t.
yes,
The
sir.
final
But
velocity
then
is 20.
acceleration is 20 divided by 10, so that's 2.
20
And that
divided
is
by
2
10.
meter per second square.
2.
And force is what?
And then it-
Mass times acceleration.
MA
Mass is 100 into 200 newtons. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From here we are starting the competition round. Nitish will get 10 points, Congo 5 points.
So why from there, sir? Sankar will think it's
So that is
unfair.
unfair, sir.
No, I started from here and I said from here. Prior to that, I did not give that
Sir,
information.
I just have one doubt.
Yeah.
Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So v is
Yeah.
equal like v and u is equal to 0. V is equal to
Yeah. 20. The final velocity reached to 20.
Perfect. Okay, I get it, sir. I get it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened to this? Sometimes I don't know what happens to these things.
Sir, can you like request the learning room people to like send this entire study material in the app, sir, because this
Just
entire study
uploaded yes
material.
today. They
Yeah,
uploaded it today.
They uploaded.
They uploaded
Okay,
it
they
like today.
uploaded it today. Okay.
Yeah, they
They
uploaded it
didn't do
today.
it today because the class is still
No, they did today.
Its
I
class is
saw.
still going on.
Sharing again. Just give me 1 minute.
Sir,
If
the
you want, you
black
take
screen-
screenshot, Ra.
So something there's a black hole. I thought it was mine. So there's a black screen in the middle.
It's not
Yes,
that
sir.
for
Even for
me.
me.
That they don't like it.
Me.
Conwell's hack. So there's a black screen in between your screen.
I'll show you.
There's no
Is
screen.
this visible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
good
sir.
question. Good question. Okay, before that, I'll tell you this. Just little bit of thing. Force, I said, what is force? Force is the change in momentum with respect to
Mass
time.
MA,
into
sir.
acceleration.
Okay. Change
Change in momentum with respect to time.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
change
sir.
in momentum, the change is represented by the sign delta. Change. Okay. Change in momentum, change in time.
Oh.
The change is represented by delta.
Okay,
Okay.
so it's so
Now, same
simple.
thing can be
They
written
just
as
made it complicated.
in change in momentum. What is change in momentum? M into V. What changes there actually? Actually, the velocity changes, na?
The velocity, because
Yes, sir.
the velocity is
Mass
decayed
is
by the
constant.
final velocity and
One more thing, mass is not always constant, but generally we consider that velocity is changing, right?
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
given the same thing as m delta v, v upon delta t.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
which is
okay, sir.
basically
Okay.
delta C by T.
Okay, now the question goes like, we have a graph here.
What graphs?
So let me just ask you before
Graph.
like writing the question.
Go on.
Does this, the one you just wrote in the side, does it apply to the question you're writing right now?
No.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we still have to type done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Type it and keep it ready.
Slow. No, that's not allowed.
No, Ra, then and then he'll tell that's the reason why you couldn't answer.
Right through me.
Sir, in the previous question, I went like till equations of motion, sir. I don't know how
Yes,
I
it's
read
equal.
that. No, this is
Man
like law
A
of-
little bit that is used.
So what is that?
This is equal
Man
to
of?
ut by 1 by 2 AT square.
Minute. It is mass.
Man of
Oh, mass
particle
of?
600 grams. Oh, mass.
Mass of.
One more, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me write it in a different way.
Equal to 100. Okay, no, it's not.
Yes, sir.
It is VT graph for a particle of mass 100 grams, right?
By heart.
Yes, sir.
You have to calculate the force. Time starts now.
Oh, easy.
Okay.
So the lines are the velocity and time, right, sir? The line you draw
Yeah.
from 20 and 5.
That is the graph of that particle with the respective velocity and time.
Velocity is 20 and time is 5.
That marking is there. When the time was 5 seconds, the velocity is 20 meters per second. That is the graph that is showing there.
What is the initial velocity here?
I don't know. Since you're
all
saying
given in the
you
graph.
have to start it from t is equals to 0 to at v is equals to 0, the initial velocity will be 0, na?
Oh, sorry. Okay, so sorry.
Time maybe it is Sankalp. Okay, he is there.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, 2 seconds before you go with.
Sankalp,
Oh my
Nitish,
God,
and Congress. Sankalp, tell me the answer.
I got 0.
Wrong.
Yeah, sorry. 0.4
Sir, he's just
kilograms
calculating it, sir. He
meter
put
square.
done earlier.
No,
Sir.
not considered.
No. So I'm not.
Nitish, tell your answer.
So 0.
Only for-
0.4.
Yes.
Wait,
Nitish
0.4 kg
is-
and 400 kilograms is same. 0.4
0.4?
0.4 kilograms meter second square, sir. Meter per second.
Wrong.
Meter second to the power of -2. -2.
What?
Yes, sir.
It's wrong,
Your
da.
answer?
Yes, sir.
Nitish, your answer?
So 400 kilogram per meter per second square.
Okay,
Oh,
kilogram
meter per
kilogram,
second-
ah.
Kilogram meter per second square. Not kilogram per meter per second.
Kongwe?
400 Newton.
100 Newton.
Sir, everything's right, sir? Except
CS,
yeah.
everyone CS. So Sankalp is correct and you both are wrong.
Let's go. SI unit.
The mistake you have done, you have not taken this in
It's
SI unit.
100 grams. Sir. Yeah,
Oh, it's 100 grams.
I knew it. I
hate
just
life.
didn't know how to do it.
You just
So I
didn't know.
decided-
I got
You have to convert it in SI unit. Now, 1 Newton is in SI unit. You all know that Newton is SI unit. So for SI unit, you need everything in SI unit. So it should be 100 by 1000 and acceleration you must have calculated from here, that is 4. So that will be 0.4 Newton.
So 0.1, sir.
So since all other are wrong, Sankal will get plus 20.
So what?
Sorry, sir.
Sir,
Other are
it's
wrong.
like a
The value
silly
of question
mistake, sir.
increases.
No, sir, not this question, sir. The last question.
It's not even
Value of
hard, sir. It's not
question
harder
increases.
than the previous one.
Then why did you fail?
Force acts.
Wait,
I got it correct. The previous one I got it correct.
Even I got it right.
One, right?
The body
Of course, acts was 0.1 seconds.
of mass. If nobody will answer, the value of the question will increase. Who is typing there?
Bruh.
Sir, me. I just kept a count, sir.
How do you have 20?
Status, sir.
Oh,
You
how
only
do you
have
have 20? You had
10.
only, you have only 10.
How
Ah,
did I get 10? I answered so.
you only had 10. Stop
You
it.
started it from the previous question.
Yeah, previous question. Yeah, I got the previous.
You
You
had
got
only
you
10
got
there.
it correct. That's only 10 points. And I have
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, it's
What do you
see.
mean I
If
get 10
this
points?
one?
I got it first.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Nitish only got 10 points for it, right?
You also answered, na, Kongwe?
Yes, sir.
I got
If
10
no
Five
one
for this.
answers, you get 20. Da.
Sure.
If no one answers.
I can't spell my name.
10 and 5 here,
Nitish,
and
20 for Sankalp
third
because we
person will
made
get
silly
no marks.
mistakes.
Third person will get no marks.
Oh, okay, sir. Sankalp got it wrong, sir.
20. So
Well,
you should
this
get
one.
minus points.
Sir, no, sir. In the previous sum,
minus
somehow I
is 20,
went to
sir.
the formula S is equal to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square.
Minus.
I think he
For
didn't
For
answer
finding the
it.
velocity, yeah.
I think he
Sir,
didn't
no,
next
answer
I-
this.
question, sir. Sir, show us the question. Oh, this one, yeah. First axon.
Decimal. So why do you use that?
Velocity.
What are you talking
Go on.
about? Wait,
I'm reading the question in my mind.
I can hear it.
Sir, the body moves
it
with
was
the
initially
velocity of,
addressed-
right?
Yes, it was.
It was initially addressed. Bruh.
Stop it.
Kongwe got it first.
Okay, it was,
Sir, I only have 5, sir. Nitish has 10.
I'm
Now
considering
you all
previous
are
question.
doing 20 or something.
Okay, yeah. My mistake.
for
Sankar, 20.
0.1 second.
Nitish 10. Kongwe 5.
Another 5, sir. He got another 5. Hey, why? Oh, what? Who put that? Oh, okay. I thought that is the answers.
Wait for 1 more minute and we'll close the window then.
Since I got it within a very small time, I get 20 points
7:36.
for this.
No, you won't. Only if anyone, no one
Yes,
else.
sir, done. Okay.
If you
Yes,
get
sir.
it wrong,
Wow.
your friend will get more
I
marks.
typed it first.
2 seconds,
Okay,
sir. I
yeah.
finished
Hey,
it.
I did it
After
first, Ra.
After Kongwe, it is
Look
Sankar.
at it. Look at the chat. Oh, okay. When
Yeah.
did you type it? When did you even type it?
I- Hey, I got it like in 0.1 seconds, Ra, the time that the force acted on the body.
Bruh.
It's like so easy.
Yes,
No,
sir.
it
Finish.
was
more
Finish.
seconds.
Finish.
Put done.
Oh, no.
D O N E.
You
Hey,
didn't
I've
type
said
done.
done,
You
no
didn't
done
type
bracket.
Kongwe, Sankar, Nitish. Kongwe, tell your answer.
Sir, 4, sir. 4.
Kalp,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 4.
40 N, sir. 40 N.
Nitish,
40.
Sir, 40 N. So,
10 is the
Go,
correct
Nitish.
answer.
Let's
yeah,
go.
Kongwe gets no points. So I
Points at
typed
five.
the
Oh,
new
it's 0.1 seconds. So, like,
You calculated a bit too fast.
Yesterday mistake. Shall I explain it?
sir.
It's
Shall I
we can
explain it?
understand it, sir. No need.
Sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to explain, sir?
Okay. A
Nitish is
force
How
sending
much
everyone's
friends?
IQ. Why?
causes an acceleration. Now everybody will answer me personally. Can you do that?
No, sir. It's
How
not
will you
possible.
Chatting is not allowed?
It's
How
not
can we put
possible,
friends
sir.
after you, sir?
When did Kongo
In like
get
chat,
10,
Ra. Fine, I'm
I
fine.
don't even know how when he got it 10.
No problem.
You
Let
can
it be
add
like this.
notes
Nobody-
for the meeting.
An acceleration of 10 meters per
I
second square.
can't ask you personally, sir.
Okay, no problem. Nobody is cheating here.
Oh,
Body of mass 500 grams.
force comes to an acceleration.
What acceleration will it cause by the same force in a body of
10 meter per second square is what did you write here?
mass
Acceleration.
Or
10
10 meter per
kgs?
second square.
Sir,
Time starts
acceleration
now.
or force?
Can't
Is it
see
like
what you wrote for the
acceleration or-
mass, sir.
A force causes an
Acceleration.
a force causes an acceleration of 10 meter per second square in a body of mass 500 grams.
100 grams.
What acceleration will it cause by the same force in a body of mass 10 kg?
Okay, I get it. Okay.
It's for 1 more minute. We'll be waiting. Okay, done by everyone. First, Kongwe.
Sir, I was 0.1
Sir,
second.
0.5.
Fish.
So
Sir,
0.5.
forgot the unit. Sir, 0.5 meter per
kilogram
second square.
Wait, sir.
Meter per second
Newton.
square.
Or kilogram per meter per second square.
So mine's meter per second square.
Yes, sir, same, sir.
What answer unit?
Same as who?
Two.
Like Sorry,
Nitish,
same as Nitish.
same as
Nitish.
Nitish.
Same as Nitish. Same as Nitish.
guys. Let's
No!
go. 20
Acceleration.
points.
Oh wow!
Acceleration.
Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
They asked for acceleration. People.
We asked for acceleration. Understood, everyone?
No, but
Yeah.
oh my
But yeah.
god.
Okay, so it is plus 20.
I was
0,
just
0.
about to get it,
I
Sankar
write
here.
it, sir. I write it, sir.
Okay, last question for today. The question goes like you have to write it down.
I can't
A
win this one.
car of mass 480 kg.
Hey, Kongwell, you're 25.
I only have
not
25, yeah.
30. Yeah, only 25.
Oh,
No,
okay,
Nitish
okay. I
typed
thought
it.
it was 10. Okay, okay.
Sir, tell the question, sir.
Car of mass 480 kg, 480, moving at a speed of 54 km per hour.
So 480 kilograms. 480 kilograms.
Yeah, a car of mass 480 kgs, moving at a speed of 54 km per hour.
Velocity is equal to 50.
Write the
Chup-
velocity as
chup karke
36.
beta.
Write the velocity as 36. I'll repeat it.
Okay,
A car of mass 480 kg. Yeah, a car of mass 480 kg, moving at a speed of 36 km per hour.
Car of mass.
Okay.
480
car of mass
kg da.
480 da.
kg.
What car of
See here. Mass is 480 kg
480 kilograms.
and the velocity is 36 km per hour. Listen here.
Okay.
Velocity moving with a speed of 36 km per hour is stopped by applying brakes in 10 seconds. Sorry. Is stopped by applying brakes in 10 seconds.
Velocity of 36. Sir.
Okay.
Yeah. The car of mass 480 kg moving at a speed of 36 km per hour is stopped by applying brakes in 10 seconds. Calculate the force applied by the brakes. Calculate the force applied by the brakes.
So what is time? So what did you say? 10 seconds, sir.
The car was stopped by applying force with the brakes in 10 seconds. So you have to find the force applied by the brakes in stopping the car.
Yeah. 30.
Okay, Sankalp is done.
1 second. Sir.
Show your hands. Remove your virtual background and show your hands.
Car of mass 480 kg moving at a speed of 36 km per hour is stopped by applying brakes in 10 seconds. Calculate the force applied by the brakes. Okay, Kongwe done. Now, Nitish,
1 second.
we'll wait for 1 more minute.
Uh, 480 kilograms, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god, I made a mistake, sir. 1 second, sir. You are not
Hey,
done.
you typed
I'm
done.
not
You
done.
typed
You
done.
cannot.
I know
cannot
I'm
done
not
right.
done.
You cannot. You
Like the
cannot
next
type.
time I type done is counted, okay?
I am second, sir. I am second.
Okay, I'll do it. So 2 seconds, give me, sir.
I am second then.
So,
So we'll wait for 30 seconds of 1 minute which is left. The first is Sankalp, second is Nitish.
Yeah, I am second.
Done, sir. Done,
Depends
done.
on the answer. 10 more seconds.
Done, sir.
Everyone finish, sir.
Okay. Sankalp, tell your answer.
480 N, sir.
Much?
480 N.
480.
480 Newton, sir.
Nitish,
480 newtons, the same.
Kongwe,
Sir, I got a different answer.
how
Got
much? Tell me.
400. 400.
Okay, yeah.
400 Newton. Actually, I have to solve this question. Give me 1 minute. So body mass was 480 kgs and it was traveling with
Oh,
30.
sorry. Sir, 480. 480.
You can't change
Hey,
answer.
hey,
400.
You can't change
No,
answer.
no,
You
you
can't
Once
do
after
this.
writing, I cannot change. It's against the
Sir, you didn't
ethics.
write it, sir. Sir, you didn't write it.
I
Here.
wrote it. I wrote it here. See,
Oh
here,
my
I wrote
God,
it.
sir. No, I
Again,
wrote
I
it
consider
in
that
my
we need to
notebook.
change the answer. This time I was okay.
Elbows.
So 36 kilometer per hour means
Sir, calculate the
10
mass.
meters per
400,
second.
sir. It's a mistake.
We don't
So
care.
10
So
meter per
bad.
second.
That's all that matters.
So mass into change in velocity upon time, that is force. So final velocity is 0.
Oh my God! Sir.
Initial velocity is 10 and divided by 10. Okay.
You did wrong.
So that will be 480 into minus 10 upon 10. That will be 480
Oh,
Newton.
okay, cancelled. Okay, it got cancelled. Okay. No. It got. I didn't see the cancellation. Sorry.
And 5.
No, I win.
So Sankalp gets the champion badge today.
L. Kongwel and Nitish.
It's okay.
You should not say like
Hey,
this.
Kongwel, no, nah. No, Kongwel. That's not how it works.
Can you tell me the acceleration in this case? Anyone? It's a bonus question.
Acceleration. Okay.
Acceleration
Whoever
in this
gets
case.
this gets
Whoever
700
answers
points,
correctly
sir.
will get plus 30.
No. What
Plus
did he ask?
30. I
Yeah,
can
plus
win.
30. Acceleration in this case. The last previous
Find the
question.
I
acceleration.
want to keep talking. What did you ask, sir?
Pardon?
Acceleration.
What did you ask? What was the
Find acceleration.
Find the acceleration in the previous case. The previous
acceleration
question.
in the previous case? Oh my God.
Acceleration in the previous question.
We already found it, sir.
I need that answer.
So I lost continuity of
Yes,
the
sir.
Nitish
question.
done.
Yes,
Nitish
sir.
done. Okay, Sankalp done. Congress is done.
Sir,
One
we
second,
need
no,
the
no, no, no.
acceleration to do
Okay.
the next. I mean, the question in the
Okay, now
previous
Nitish, tell me the
question.
answer.
So it was 1 meter per second square, sir.
Okay, good. Sankalp,
10 meter per second square, sir.
how much?
10 meter per second square.
Okay, Kongwe,
10, sir. 10 meter per second square.
all
Wait,
are
no,
wrong.
it's 1.
Even one is wrong.
Minus
it's
1
anyway
meter per
wrong.
second. Sir, it's
Minus
retardation,
1
sir.
is the correct answer.
Minus 1 meter per
Sir,
second square.
it's retardation,
Minus
sir.
I
one.
get 30 points. I get 30
Hey,
points.
hey, you
No,
got
I
the
cannot
edit-
give it to you. No. Once answered, it cannot be returned back. You know, when we give the exams, na,
500.
when we give the exams, na, in medical examination that we have NEET here, the famous exam, just the results got out, you have OMR there. And once you fill that, you cannot reverse your answers. So you
Second,
should be in a
yes, sir.
habit of not reversing, doing it correct in the one go.
I'll
So
use
minus
yes,
1
sir.
is the correct answer. Why? Because in the direction the velocity of the bus is moving. Okay. So acceleration is acting in the backwards direction. That's what the brakes do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So answer should be minus 1. But when I ask you what is the retardation there, so I have already considered the negative direction. So in that case, you'll answer me 1. Understood? If somebody asks you about retardation, you don't have to consider the negative sign. And if somebody asks you the acceleration and it comes negative, still give it with the negative sign. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it down there. Acceleration is minus 1, retardation is plus 1. Don't write these things. That is bad.
Sir, congrats for the exam.
My
Just
friends
write
are
the name.
demotivating me. I'm so
Write there
sad.
acceleration minus 1 and deceleration plus 1. Sorry, yeah,
Yes, sir.
acceleration
sir.
minus 1
Right, sir. Right.
and deceleration plus 1. Write it there.
Sankalp's statement doesn't make sense. Infinity to the power of negative infinity is 1 by infinity.
That is 0.
Proof. Therefore,
Infinity to the power
Sankalp's
negative
IQ
infinity is 0.
Sir, I thought infinity to the power of negative infinity was an imaginary number, sir.
No, see here. You have some number infinity to the power negative infinity. I can write this thing as 1 by infinity to the power infinity. Anything to the power infinity is infinity. So 1 by infinity is nothing but 0.
L.
Hey,
Oh my God.
Any doubts for today? Shall we end it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
I
Like the
did.
session,
Sir,
everyone?
but 10 raised, sir, but 10 raised to 10 is not 0, right? So basically, it's so
10
much
to 10 is a
accurate.
finite number, no? 10 raised to 10 is a finite number.
So like it's a special case with infinity.
Everybody liked it? Like the session?
It's a special case, like
Yes,
Uncle.
sir.
Okay, then
Yes, sir.
we'll be doing the same thing in the next class. Bye.
Sir, I don't like it, sir.
Thank you,
because
sir.
I'm
Bye,
just-
sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. I'm just kidding, sir. I like it.
What do you mean by that?